let us look at a poem from Savi Kannada grade 3. The name of the poem is Sankranti. It is written by H.S. Venkatesha Murthy. Sankranti means it's the harvest festival. So this poem is about how the harvest festival is celebrated. So let's look at the poem. Habba bantu, habba bantu. Habba bantu, habba. Antu intu tande tantu. Kante kante kabba. Habba means festival. Bantu means came. Tantu means got. Kante is bundle and kabba is sugarcane. So the first two lines, it is saying the festival has come. The festival has come. Antu intu tande tantu. Finally, it has got along with the festival has come. It has come with what? With bundles of sugarcane. Kante kante kabba means bundles of sugarcane. So the summary of this paragraph is the festival has come, and along with it, it has got bundles and bundles of sugarcane. Then next paragraph. Gari muri jaratari langa haki kondu. Gili gili kala gejje dani madi kondu. Gari muri means stiff. Jaratari, it's a cloth woven with golden strings. Langa is skirt. Haki kondu is wear. Kala gejje is the anklet which you wear on your ankles. Dani is sound. Madi kondu is making. So you can see here, you can see in the picture, there are girls wearing skirts. Right? So the skirts are made out of golden strings, and usually new clothes are very stiff. Before you wash them, they are very stiff. So the girls are wearing means it means to say girls are wearing new clothes. Okay, Gari muri jaratari langa haki kondu. So how do you celebrate festivals? You always buy new clothes, you wear new clothes, right? So these girls are wearing stiff skirts, stiff long skirts. Stiff means the new. They are wearing a new garment. So they are wearing stiff long skirts made out of, which are woven out of golden strings. They are wearing it. Then they are wearing anklets on their ankles, which is making sound. Dani is sound. Gili gili is just an expression of the sound. The anklets make sound like that. Madi kondu, making sound. So the girls are dressed in new clothes, which are made of golden strings, which is a long skirt made of golden string, and they are also wearing anklets, which is making sound. Then Yellu kabbu sakkare acchu baale hannu bella biro kante horatiddale tangi kerigella. So Yellu means sesame seeds, kabbu is sugar, sakkare acchu is sugar candy, and it is formed in different shapes. Then baale hannu is banana and bella is jaggery. Biro kante, to distribute. Horatidale, she is set out, she is going out. Tangi is sister, Kerigella is small lanes. So usually for Sankranti festival, the people, they distribute all these things. They distribute sesame seeds, sugar cane, sugar candy, banana and jaggery. They distribute it to all their friends and neighbors. That is one of the rituals of that festival. So this paragraph is explaining about that ritual where girls go out and they are going out for distributing sesame seeds, sugar cane, sugar candy, banana and jaggery. So they are going into all the small lanes and distributing it among their people. Among the people they know, among their friends and relatives. Then, Horatiddale putani tangi tanna gelati jodi. Rangenahalli rangina gombi kannu tumba nodi. Horatiddale means she's gone out, she's setting out along with her friend. Gelati is friend, Jodi is with, Gombi is doll. So the young sister, Putani Tangi means younger sister. So the younger sister, she is set out to distribute all of this along with her friend. She's not going alone, she's going along with her friend, and she looks like a beautiful doll. Kanna tumba nodi means look, she looks so pretty like a doll. Then Kombanu ಹೆರೆದು ಬಣ್ಣವ ಬಳಿದು ಎತ್ತು ಹಸು ಕರುವನ್ನು ಕಿಚ್ಚನು ಹಾಯಿಸಿ ಕೊಡುವರು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಹಣ್ಣು. So this is also one of the rituals that is followed during the festival. The cows, the horns of the cows. Okay, so let's first look at the meanings. Kombu, kombu is horn. Here is to trim the horn. Banna is color, balidu is paint, ettu is bull, hasu is cow, karu is calf, kichu is fire. Haisu is to jump or cross over. And kodu is give, appa is father, akki is rice, bella is jaggery, and hannu is fruit. So this is one ritual where the cows, the horns are trimmed and they are colored. That's the first line. Kombanu heredu bannava balidu. So the horns of the cows and bulls, they are trimmed and they are colored with paint. Yettu hasu karuvan. So bull, cow and calf. So the bull or a cow or a calf's horns are trimmed and they are colored with paint. And then they are made to cross or jump over fire. Kichanu haisi koduvaru appa. So after the cows are made to jump over fire, and after they finish doing that, father gives them rice, jaggery and fruit. So this is one of the ritual followed in the villages. And then the next one is also a ritual which is followed by many people. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಎಳ್ಳು ಎಳಚಿ ಅಚ್ಚು ಸುರಿಯುವಾಗ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಚ್ಚು ಮೆಚ್ಚು. So hase is a decorated seat or a plank on which you are made to sit. Kudisu is to sit. And yellu is sesame seeds. Yelachi is a small berry. It's a small berry. Achu is a sugar candy. Suri is pour. Amma ajji. Amma is mother. Ajji is grandmother. Makkaligachu mechu. Like, or it's a favorite thing of the festival. So the ritual again here is very young children are made to sit on a seat. Makkalanella haseyalli koodisi means they make small children to sit on a seat, on a decorated seat or on a plank. And then yellu yelachi achu. So they pour sesame seeds and the berries and the sugar candy on the child's head. Suriyuvaga means pouring. When who pours? Usually the mother or the grandmother will pour all this on the child's head. The children love this. It's the favorite part of the festival for them. So makkaligachu mechu means it's a favorite or they like that part of the festival. So this is the harvest festival Sankranti.